Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Podcast for beginners and intermediate learners. The podcast where learning English is like going on a holiday every week. Here, you can immerse yourself in English as we dive into everyday life and culture. You'll hear English in real-life contexts. I'm your host, Michael, and today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of holidays. So, grab your sunglasses, put on your flip-flops, and let's get started. Holidays. The time when we pack our bags, leave our worries behind, and sometimes accidentally pack the cat. True story. My neighbor once found her cat in her suitcase at the airport. Just imagine how surprised she and the customs officers were when they heard meowing and opened the suitcase. So, what's your favorite holiday? Christmas? Halloween? Thanksgiving? Personally, I love Christmas. There's nothing like decorating the tree, singing carols, and of course, the food. My family has a tradition where we bake cookies that look like our favorite movie characters. Last year, my Yoda cookies looked more like green blobs, but hey, it's the thought that counts. Let's talk about some holiday vocabulary to help you on your next adventure. First up, vacation. In American English, we say vacation when we take time off work or school to relax and travel. But in British English, they say holiday for the same thing. So if you hear a Brit talking about their holiday, don't think they're just celebrating Christmas all the time. Speaking of holidays, let's not forget about itinerary. That's a fancy word for your travel plan, where you'll go and what you'll do. For example, my dream itinerary includes a trip to the beach, a visit to a theme park, and eating my weight in ice cream. Sounds perfect, right? And what about souvenir? That's a little something you buy to remember your trip, like a keychain, a postcard, or a tiny Eiffel Tower if you visit Paris. I have a collection of tiny Eiffel Towers from every city I've been to, even if they're not in France. Hey, a little imagination never hurt anyone. Now, let's practice some useful phrases. Imagine you're at a beautiful tourist spot, and you want someone to take your photo. You can say, "Could you take a photo of me?" Or if you're with friends, "Could you take a photo of us?" Easy, right? Just don't ask the person who looks like they're in a hurry. They might run off with your phone. Another handy phrase is, "Where is the nearest restroom?" Trust me, you'll need this more than you think. And while we're on the topic, here's a little travel tip. Always carry some tissues. You never know when you'll encounter a restroom that's out of toilet paper. You can thank me later. Now, let's have a quick role play. Imagine you're at a travel agency. I'll be the travel agent and you're the customer. Ready? Here we go. Agent, hello? How can I help you today? Customer, hi. I'd like to book a holiday, please. Agent, sure. Where would you like to go? Customer, somewhere warm and sunny. Do you have any recommendations? Agent, how about a beach holiday in Hawaii? We have a great package deal that includes flights, hotel, and a volcano tour. Customer, that sounds amazing. Sign me up. Oh, and can you make sure the hotel has free Wi-Fi? I need to keep up with my cat videos. Agent, of course. We wouldn't want you to miss out on those. Customer, thanks. I'm so excited. And that's it for our role play. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Remember, holidays are not just about where you go, but also about the fun and memories you make. That's all for today's episode. Wherever your next holiday takes you, I hope it's filled with laughter and adventure. Until next time, happy travel